Yo, I know there's a lot of this clout in the air. Yo, don't believe no one. You will always be stunned. You can't believe, not even me, not even us, not even because we might seize all of these things and think all of this shit is mine to own. See, but y'all are disowning your own kin, your own spiritual win. You know it's not the end when you're about to try to snatch it. You can't have everything and make it all not matter. You can't take away all the atoms from all the people and the villagers. What happened? Yo, you're trying to take too much. And now my body and my soul and my atmosphere and even my tears are in the clouds, and I don't even know where it appears. It's like that mystical escape. And when I correlate, I jumped out my own way of my own fate. But I was floating okay, and I was doing alright for a couple days. And then I grew the fuck up, and then the fucking track snuck me up and snatched me up and straight stuck me right into the system. And then that was what was dishing to me, and I was wishing that some venom of some snakes would have taken me out much long ago. You see, hey, it's not the best way to ever want to live, but when you're living right close to death, little kids is all that you's ever thinking about. The future of our nations, of our earth. These are the problems of the prophets in the dirt. Yo, I feel some hurt in my heart, but that's not even the start, not even close to the counterpart. This is the prophecy. It hurts because when I feel it in my nerves, it's like inertia when it pulls me through the swerve and through the everything. I just must blaze some herb, because the only medicine that's even getting close to healing me is that prophecy and that medicine shamanry, that alchemistry, that mystical vitamins that I want to seize, that I want to be grabbing, and I want to be flying overseas so I can be smoking all them trees for freeze. But you know what I mean? I'm trying to legalize it in my own state. That's Idaho, but they can't even relate. Ever since I was 12, they've been throwing me in the pen, and I ain't even getting close and doing it again. So I'm living in Washington, at least for a moment, until you grow it. Idaho, y'all's gotta show it. I love y'all, Boise, but y'all just know it. There's only one way to change it. You gotta take it by the nation. You gotta grab it. Stop asking. This is the way we did it when we were the Patriots, but now they're making acts to take away that. And this some whack spit, I ain't trying to play that. I'm trying to play some next level vertebrae splat on my atoms while my mind is straight at some gray matter material. I have atoms while I'm shatter them, and then my cerebral, my parabolic, whatever you wanna call it, what you know I am on it is tetragrammaton, and then I'm gone. That's the real word for God. If y'all what I'm saying, it's not no facade. I'm not trying to play like I know everything. Or wait, maybe the Aquariuses do, you see? This is just a different truth of reality, but this is all of us. Aquarius is the third eye, the platinum, the straight eagle, the swift bird, and the vertebrae living and speaking.